Welcome again, students. Good morning, everyone. Now, today we'll start history part of science or EVS. In this, we read about Indian rulers. India is a land of great rulers and who were very graceful and powerful heads of their time. These rulers shaped the history of India and left their imprints. Means some of the kind of students prints of their history, like winning battles. So many battles we have heard about it. Great monuments like student Sachi Stoop, other that Mysore Fort also. Writing scriptures. Scriptures means students a kind of books, a kind of holy books they have written. Doing developmental work for people in his rule time. Those things shows that how much graceful and powerful those were. Now, first we'll talk about Maharana Pratap. I think you have been heard his name. Maharana Pratap was a Hindu Rajput and ruler of Mewar. This time also it is situated in Rajasthan. He was one of the bravest kings in the Indian history who kept fighting with the Mughals throughout his life. If you have heard about that particular battle of Haldi Ghati, then his name always have been heard with this battle. In this, he bravely faced the vast army of Mughals. Okay, students. Now we talk about Tipu Sultan. He also known as Tiger of Mysore and was the ruler of Indian Kingdom of Mysore. He was a scholar, a warrior and a poet also. Students in Mysore fort, you can see the pictures of Tipu Sultan and other thing. Till this time in Mysore, it is very famous. His name is very famous over there. He introduced several new laws like land revenue system. Land revenue system, if you have heard about Jamidar, the different kind of people, those giving particular land to a person, and that particular land is taken by someone else, and whatever you grow there, sometimes you pay tax for that. That is a kind of law in his time. He laid down his life fighting the British for Mysore independence. He started the growth of silk industry in Mysore also. In his time, the Mysore was so much developed place. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Whenever we heard this name, every time a particular terminal of your Mumbai airport that comes in your mind. Actually, students, Shivaji Bhosle was a warrior king and member of Maratha clan. Maharashtra is famous for Marathis, and that is Maratha clan also. He was the progressive and sensible ruler in the history of our country. He respected all religions. And students, he knew the importance of a good army and war strategies. That is very important for them. He had an intelligence unit that helped him to devise the tactics like guerrilla warfare. It is a kind of war tactic only, students. To protect India from foreign invaders, Shivaji formed a naval fleet. Means, students, a kind of navy or kind of army that related to water only. No one under his rule was allowed to disrespect women also. That was the good thing in that time. Now we talk about Akbar. Akbar, son of Humayun, was the greatest ruler of Mughal dynasty. He gradually expanded the Mughal empire and ruled over most of Indian subcontinent. He was a brilliant and efficient ruler. And one is very good thing of him that he belonged to Muslim community, but he respected all other religions equally. He was fond of literature, poetry and architecture. If you have seen that particular cartoon of that Akbar and Birbal, in that you can see. During his rule, the Mughal empire increased in size and wealth also. A new religion called Deen-e-Ilahi, the religion of God only, was also created by him to show equality in human beings. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Just read these particular topics, or I can say information related to those rulers from your book. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.